In this video, I'll show you how to add authentication in Lovable. First, sign into your Lovable account and open the project where you want to add authentication. Once you're inside the project, go to the chat panel where you can give instructions to Lovable. Next, type a prompt asking Lovable to add user authentication to your application. For example, you can enter, add user authentication with sign up, login, logout, and password reset functionality. After that, submit the prompt and wait for Lovable to update your application. In most cases, Lovable will automatically create the required authentication pages and components. Once the update is complete, review the new authentication screens. You should see pages for creating an account, signing in, and resetting a forgotten password. Now, if Lovable asks you to connect an authentication provider, follow the setup instructions. Many projects use Supabase for authentication, so connect your Supabase project if required and authorize the connection. Next, ask Lovable to protect specific pages. For example, you can type, restrict the dashboard so only logged-in users can access it. Lovable will update the app and add the necessary access controls. After that, test the authentication system. Create a new account using the sign-up page and verify that you can log in successfully. Then try logging out and signing back in to make sure everything works correctly. Now, test the password reset feature by selecting Forgot Password and following the recovery process. Confirm that reset emails are being sent and that users can create a new password. Next, customize the authentication pages to match your app's branding. You can ask Lovable to change colors, update button styles, modify text, or add your company logo. Once you're satisfied with the setup, test the entire user flow one more time. Make sure users can sign up, log in, access protected pages, and log out without any issues. Finally, publish your changes so the updated authentication system is available in the live version of your application. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add authentication in Lovable. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.